So guys, now I'm going to make this hair you are seeing here. I'm putting on these braids. I don't know whether you can see it. So, and now, okay, I want to finish all this, the whole of this part, guys. So let me do this and then I'll bring you back on, because I don't have anyone to hold my camera, my phone for me.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean, I sell them on devotion.
What I have been doing since morning.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I said,
Afternoon, around 1 p.m. right? Yeah, time to prepare lunch. Should be a bit late, but yeah, we are in there, in between there, in time. So guys, remember to turn on those notification bells so that whenever I post, I upload, you are all notified and come enjoy our village vlogs, guys. So yeah, I'm peeling some potatoes for lunch. It's a mixture of actually bananas. You can see I got our banana from the garden, and yeah, we bought potatoes. Some potatoes. Yes. So this is where I am. The sun is sometimes very hot because actually it's about to rain. So the sun is somehow kind of hot, sometimes too hot, sometimes very nice. Yeah. In between there, whenever it wants to rain, how it behaves. So that's what it's meant to us, guys.
said, oh, have you ever loved somebody? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know the read your mind. Do you love yourself? Like a magnet to a knot. Like a lighthouse on the ocean. I sail on devotion.
Hey guys, you can see I'm done peeling some bananas, so I want to cook lunch. Then guys, I bring you back on, and yeah, we continue enjoying our evening vlogs, guys.